Like peekaboo under your hat.
Hi, my name's Erin Carlson, and I'm the artist behind Red Cottage Fiber Studio. It's my home and workspace here in Sewickley. So you might know me for my needle felt sculpture work and for my weaving. But Red Cottage it's about weaving, it's about felting, and it's also about gardening. So I will be giving the Artist Guild presentation on Tuesday, April 25th, from 7 to 8 p.m., and that's here at Sweetwater. And I'll be talking about my process, how my work has changed throughout the years, as well as the more narrative focus that I'm working on currently. There'll also be quite a bit about gardening, because it is that special time of year. Lots of seedlings, lots of composting, lots of mulching.